Today I am up in Korat and I'm about 20 kilometers outside the city, and I want to bring you three EVOs, three EVO VIIIs, because they're all individual and they're special. I'm actually in Korat this weekend for Cars and Coffee Korat, so that video will have already dropped, although it's happening later this afternoon. So if you want to see Cars and Coffee Korat, organised by the TAT, the Tourism Authority, a big, massive, mega event, drop down into the description. I'll throw the link in there. But that's actually later on this afternoon. This video is coming afterwards. And on this video, I want to bring you three EVO VIIIs. I want to bring you a stock EVO VIII, although stock like that, a Ralliart EVO VIII MR, and an EVO VIII taken to the absolute modified max. And not just three EVO VIIIs. I also want to bring you a 747 in the middle of nowhere. Well, it's just fields all around. We're actually about 20 kilometers outside Korat. So I'm going to get Kunan, the owner of the red one, the odd color out, to introduce his car and the other two. So let's get started on this, because it is crazy hot today. It's 42 degrees. I want to bring you these cars, but I want to get them done.
Hello guys, this is 2003 Mitsubishi Lancer Evolution 8. This is the base model GSR. It came with the stock N-Kai wheels, and this one modified a little bit on the engine. Got the big turbo from EVO VIII and HKS racing filters, and anything else on this car basically stock. Brembo came with the stock equipment on the front and back. So inside here, they give you a Recaro seat from the factory with 6-speed manual transmission, which offer only in EVO VIII and IX. And this car built by ST Auto. Okay, so this is EVO VIII MR. This is another version upgraded from the GSR version. MR stands for Mitsubishi Racing. So this model got an aluminum roof and the air intake here for the air to go in. This one as well is modified front fenders from GP Sports. Ralliart look for the BRC look for the bumper, and the engine we modify a little bit. We have a precision turbo equipped, which give you about 400 wheel horsepower, and came with all the external wastegate and carbon fiber intakes. Yeah. Let's take a look inside. So the MR version here, it will come with Alcantara seats, as well as carbon fiber bits, and all the Ralliart stuff put it inside. And for the wheels here, made by N-Kai. This one is called N-Kai RCT4, which they made specifically for competition use. And one thing that stands out in the rear for the MR is black housing tail lights. This tail light gives very aggressive look. And this car has a titanium exhaust, which gives a little bit of sounds. And double deck spoiler, which give you much more aero help when you drive fast. So this car I also equipped the carbon fiber diffuser, racing tow hook, as well as the rear muffler 5-inch. This car is so fun to drive. And I recently drive it to Malaysia as well, as you can see the license plate here. Coming up to this one, this is also another EVO VIII, which dressed up in ink plus one. This is the brand from Japan that they make the kit for circuit, time attack, racing. So this car got a visual upgrade outside as well as inside. The engine is stock engine with a Grady turbo kit and HKS intercooler pipe and all the small JDM bits that have been installed into this car, as you can see. Yeah. So this car got the cam lights, 18-inch wheels. So upgrade a little bit because of the outside look to make it more aggressive. As well as the carbon fiber mirrors from Carve Square. And Casco LSD has been installed into this car as well. So inside, the owner leave a stock look. Coming to the rear is, you can see they got equipped with the Vortex adjustable GT wings, carbon fiber GT wings, and the air here, as well as the black tail lights and 5-inch back box with carbon fiber diffuser.
So that's it for a look at three EVO VIIIs, three very different EVO VIIIs, one almost stock, one Ralliart spec, one just the full street racing modified spec. In a great backdrop. So big thanks to the owners, big thanks to Conan for introducing the cars. And now it's Cars and Coffee Korat. Man, I hope it cools down soon. And if you want to see a link to that video, drop down below because I'll be making that before I make this one. So over and out from the 747 in Korat. You don't really say that very often.